Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make two cool planes and one cool glider made out of A4 paper. So I'm going to start with this one first. This one's very easy to do. So let's get started. First you would need an A4 paper, then you would need to fold it. Make sure it's straight so it would be neat. Like something like this. And then I'm opening it up. And then you need to do something like this. This is where you put the triangle. Like this. Now you would need to do this to make it look like an envelope a bit. Then you need to put a triangle and fold somewhere here. Do something the same, but make sure it doesn't go right here. You don't need to do that. Then next you would need to take this tiny triangle right there and fold it here. And then next, you need to fold it like this. It's a bit hard, but I think there. And then you just need to do something. Make sure it's straight for the wings. And then you do this again. And then that's how you, and then you get the same thing. Like this. Now on to the next plane, which is going to look like this. So let's get started. All you need is the A4 paper again. First, you are just gonna put it this way because that's how it is. Then you would need to fold this much. I'm making this. Then you would need to fold. So this. Let me just try to get then it will be like this. Then you need to make a triangle somewhere right here. Like this. And then do the same to the other side. Like this. Then next you need to fold. Then do this. And do the same to the other side. And then here you go. Now you have this plane, which is similar to this one. Now the last plane is not a plane, it's actually a glider, which is pretty cool. All you need is A4 paper. First you need to make a triangle like always. Okay, like this, and then next you need to do this. Like all people do with planes, if they're making one. And then next they will turn it over, and then just make the triangle point right here. And then next you would need to fold this. Make sure it's straight, like something like this. And now it's like that. And then you need to do something like this. And do the same thing to the other side. Like this. And now you have your own cool glider. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!